I got a bunch of stuff from RC Full Drive, and it was a story, and I'm going to tell you, so here we go. Welcome to the channel if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today I got some RC Full Drive things for all my RC Full Drive things, and it was a little bit of a fiasco, to tell you the truth. So I will tell you all about it, and we will go through all the things I bought. So here we go. First up, we have all this stuff. There's a couple different boxes. There's one thing in one box, one thing in another box, and then this is basically everything else. This is also part of Jordan's order, I guess. If you don't know, Jordan is one of my good RC friends. I do a live on Mondays. He and Doug join me 7 p.m. Mondays every week. We go and we just have a live. There's trucks, real trucks, cars, whatever, world events, things happening in the RC world, all that stuff. So, anywho. This box was kind of large, but wasn't really all that impressive, kind of like your mother. I got a bunch of light kits. I have been trying to get more and more scale as the time goes on and build better and better looking trucks. Now I'm building basically show trucks, shelf queens, whatever you want to call them, and I needed some light kits for them. So this one's for the crew cab, this one's for the dually, this one's for the pineapple, I believe this one's for Jordan. And then this one's for, my Suburban and the short bed. So I got lights for all of those. Hopefully I can figure out how to finagle them in. I'm not a lighting expert nor an electrical expert, so I got those. Next. So I was one interior pan short for the dually back here to have an actual interior pan. So what I've basically done is chopped off the front wall here and then glued them together because it is two cabs glued together. So if you take a 1/16 of an inch off, glue it to the back of the other one, it makes a really nice cab floor that basically just fits perfectly. I've done it with the big turquoise and white crew cab that I'll show you here, and now I'm going to do it with the dually. I don't believe that's how I did the pineapple. I'm pretty sure it's just a flat sheet and then I put a seat on it, but it's okay, it's whatever. Anyway, so I got that. It does come with the dash and all the stupid parts for the capper that I don't have and everything like that, but that's fine. I have a huge box literally right here just full of RC Full Drive Blazer and K10 parts, so I got that. Next! I got, honestly, I got 3 things of the K10 door panels. I needed 2 sets for the turquoise and white crew cab, and then I needed 1 set for the dually, or the other way around, whichever, because I already have 1 set in a box for one of the trucks. So I got that. This also comes with the cab back, which I'm going to use on a separate truck because I have another idea for another truck, and I have all the parts. I've just got to get them all together. So I'm going to use the cab back. This also comes with the tailgates. Now, if you're going to be proper, like I am, painting them particular colors that were factory match for the year, etc., lining up the grills, the tailgates are another point of contention where the K5 tailgate is not correct, so I got K10 tailgates. So now I actually have 3 K10 tailgates, which is super cool because now I can put them on other trucks that I had no tailgate on. I got the door panels, which I needed for other trucks, and then the cab back, which I can now make my K5s into pickups. So I got that. Next, I got some rear windows. I don't have rear windows for either one of my crew cabs. This is basically just a crew cab finishing video, whatever, and I got that. So now I can have windows. And this looks a little better than like the flat Lexan sheet, so I got those. Pretty stoked about that. These were expensive for just like some kind of half-formed pieces of plexiglass or Lexan, whatever the hell these are, but anyway, got that. Next, I have no idea what this is, so we're going to open it together and see what we have. I got some mirrors from CC Hand. These are the actual tow mirrors. They have all the friggin' troubadours and all that stuff. The mirror holes on the lower dually are filled. I was planning on going a different route, but I may put these on there. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do all this, but these are actually milled aluminum, and they have all the proper hardware and the friggin' wang doodles to make it on your door and stuff, and these are super sick. So I will definitely be using those, just not sure what I'm gonna put them on. So I got that. I also got a metal and magnet mount set. This is for the hood. This is what holds the hood down and everything. I have a couple bodies that I bought that were not complete bodies, and they don't have this. So now I'm chasing these down. Little dumb things like this that are costing me $14 or whatever for a magnet, not a friggin' thing. So whatever. Anyway, I got that. Next, they did throw in some stickers. I'm always a fan of stickers, especially when you spend $1 bazillion with them a year, and got that. And then I don't know why this just, you know, it called to me. There's a 90s thing that's brewing. I've been thinking about building a show truck, like a 90s show truck, just ridiculous. And a Lund visor is pretty much part of that. And so this is technically the RC4WD drive windshield sun visor for Chevrolet Blazer and K10 V2. Whatever you want to call it. I always called it like a moon visor, or Lund, L-U-N-D, made a bunch of these. And I saw a bazillion of them when I was a kid. So that's what I got, you know? Next, I got this guy. I am super freaking pumped. This is the aluminum front bumper for the K10s and K5s. I wanted a really, really nice bumper on the lifted crew cab. I'm trying to make that thing super, super nice. It does have some paint flaws in it, and any of the pictures you've seen, I'm not done with it. It's not fully painted yet. I'm letting it cure before I sand it and repaint it. This is the front bumper to replace the front bumper that's plastic.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
And this aluminum polished will look so much better than the chrome, because this is just, you know, it's actual metal and stuff. So I got that, and I'm super freaking pumped about it. This will work wonderfully. Got that. Next, this box comes with a lot of what the hell. So basically what happened is I ordered all of this stuff together. They came in 3 different packages. No big deal. That's normal. Comes from a different source, whatever, already packaged, whatever, right? I got the big box first. I got the little box like the next day. No big deal. This guy, on the other hand, was not shipped until I had already received both of those boxes. They told me they only ship out of one warehouse. That warehouse is all the way out in California. So this box had to make its way from God only knows where to California. That way they could ship it from their main warehouse in California to me in Indiana. To begin with, I said, hey, I noticed this one hasn't moved. I ordered it like 3 days ago. Yada, yada, yada. What's going on? We're waiting for it to come to us, to our main warehouse. Okay, I get it. Maybe it's like in an off location, whatever the hell, right? No. 6 days later, I said, hey, where the hell are my things? Like, what is going on? I already have the other 2 boxes. Where is my 3rd box? Well, sir, we only ship out of the main warehouse. Okay? Which is in California. Okay. So, this box came from God only knows where in the U.S. all the way to California, and then now all the way to Indiana. So, at some point in time, this box was closer to me than it was when they shipped it. So instead of shipping out of multiple warehouses, which they say they do, but they ship out of multiple warehouses to the main warehouse to then out, this was shipped there. 6 days later, was finally shipped out of there to me in Indiana, and I just got it. I can't make these videos without parts. I can't just have a random, I got an aluminum bumper from RC4WD drive in 2 weeks on a Mailbox Monday. Like, it all makes sense to have RC4WD drive together. So that's why I'm a little upset about it. So, I already gave away what's in this box. It's a bumper. But it's not a normal aluminum bumper. The aluminum step bumper from RC4WD drive. So this is a Tough Armor step rear bumper for the K10. So instead of having the van slash like K5 style bumper, I have an aluminum step bumper, which I think is going to look a lot better on that crew cab. Now that I finally have it, I am super impressed with all the machining on this. It looks great. Everything looks fine. I mean, obviously I haven't opened it yet, but it does look good. And it's exactly what I think that truck needs. So I got that, finally. Next, then I got this. This was opened on a Monday Night Live a couple weeks ago. If you don't know, I do a Monday Night Live, 7 p.m. on Mondays on YouTube. I went ahead and got the utility bed. I don't have any plans for it. And if I'm being honest, I got a real bad case of FOMO. If you don't know what FOMO is, it is fear of missing out. I know some of the CC hand stuff basically comes in stock. It doesn't sell very well, and especially RC4 drive things that are a little more expensive than normal, like plastic and molded things. They just randomly go out of stock, and then if you don't have one, you are now paying double, in example, the freaking fuel cells, what they sold for to begin with. This bed is pretty decently expensive, and I didn't want to end up paying $500 for one because I'll never want one that bad. So I went ahead and got this. This thing is super sick. The tailgate opens, for one, and then relatches. All these doors that you see around here, all open. If I can get them open. Well, I promise they open. There we go. So they have their own little 3D printed hinges and everything. These things are so cool. I have no idea what I'm going to put this on. There we go. If you are going to put this on a truck, it weighs a freaking ton. I would highly suggest buying more leaf springs and then putting them under the rear of the truck before you even mount this thing up, because as we showed on the Monday Night Live, it will take a normal K10, K5, TF2, whatever, and slam the back of it and just completely bottom out the shocks. Jordan has a stock TF2 with, we took the body off, I put this on there, and it just flattened it. So that is that. I really wanted to paint it and get it matching the color of whatever I'm going to put it on. However, I see these tiny little screws that go into this thing, and I don't know if I am up to the task of taking all these tiny screws apart, prepping this thing, painting it, and then putting it all back together with the tiny little screws. So I don't think I'm gonna. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Crew cab, utility bed, kind of low stock looking. Definitely is on my brain. So I don't know. If you have any ideas of what to do with this thing, drop them down in the comments. That's what all the cool YouTubers say, right? Avoid all the just send it to me, because I'm not gonna. I won't send it to you. But if you do have an idea, let me know. I'm looking for something a little different. Anything that you think would be cool, let me know. All right, that's enough. I'm done for the day. You guys have a wonderful day. Stick around for the bloopers, and I will see you later. Bye!
Here we go.
Here we go. If you don't know, Jordan is one of my RC fries.
Here we go.
Here we go. Well, we're waiting for it to become, or wait.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Wait,
Squish it.
here we go.
Here we go. No, actually,
Here we go.
here we go. Next. Your cabs. This is basic. See, once I find where I just put my razor that I put in, there it is. Yeah.
What's
Right. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this?
What is it?
It's mirrors.
What's this?
I don't know.
What is
Ah,
it?
these are my mirrors.
Wow.
Nice. This is for the wheel, or not the wheel. Damn it. So this was actually sitting in a.
Hey,
Hey,
did you say bye?
I did say bye. Whoa,
Daddy.
you farted. Ew.
That's not nice.
Why is it not nice? Was opened on a mailbox, or no, not a mailbox. On the Monday. They told me they only.
Daddy, I find it.
Maybe.
What's inside?
I don't know. What is inside? You know, Mike Tyson over here. Mike number 2.
What? Hey!
Hi.
Do not say that.
Do that.
Get it?
Head.
Get it?
Can't. We're done.
Squish it like a freaking adult, man.
I can't. It hopped away.
Thanks, baby. All right, whatever. Here we go with all. Nope. Hey, every night. Or not every night, every.
No, you here we go.
No, you. Here we go. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, let's go.